Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. Sorry everybody. It has been a couple weeks since I've released any content. I just had to take a couple weeks break from YouTube. It does take a lot of energy to do all the research and put out all the content. And I recently had to change my medicine to a higher dose for my Parkinson's med. So apologize for taking a while to put out new content, but don't worry, going forward, stay tuned because I have some more staff that I just hired. They're amazing, keeping me on point with everything. And let me look at my little cheat sheet here. Yeah, I think we got 18 or 19 videos that I've been recording the last couple days to get out for you guys, and I'm going to push those out probably over the next 30 to 45 days because I do have to get back to my mentor clients. So if you are one of my mentor clients, don't worry, I will be getting with you in the coming days. I just want to get this content out there and pre-recorded this 19 videos, get this all recorded for you guys so you guys have this content so you guys don't think I just disappeared. I just needed to take a couple weeks break and kind of reset everything. So anyways, if you're not already a subscriber and this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button and hit all notifications because you guys know what? I got a couple new business credit cards that nobody even knows about that I haven't even released yet, and they're not even taking applications yet. But when I release them is when they will start taking applications. So you don't want to miss on that. Hey GBC family, just a quick break from one of our sponsors. That's Northone. As you can see here, Northone offers a great option for business banking. If you need a business checking account, Northone's the way to go. Why I say that? I'm not just saying it because they are a sponsor. I use them too for one of my newer companies, as you can see here. Why? It only takes literally like 3 minutes to sign up for an account, for your business checking account. Unlike other banks, some of them take days and you have to fill all these forms. With Northone, under 5 minutes, you sign up, get going right away. A few little points real quick. It syncs with QuickBooks, FreshBooks to help with your accounting. And then on top of that, you guys know about business credit. Working capital is very important. Great thing with Northone, it automatically can sync with your payment processors like Stripe, like PayPal. All that's together, that's gonna help you get your working capital with business credit. Anyways, like I said, it's only a 3-minute little application. You'll get your card pretty quick. Your debit card works just like any other bank, and you never have to step foot in a branch at all. It's only $10 a month. That's right, just $10 a month. But the first month, use the link in the description below. It's over here, down there, up here, wherever it's at. Click that link because you'll get the first month free. And like I said, after that, it's $10 a month. $10 a month is like a Starbucks coffee. Not a big deal, okay? Until next time, you guys take care. Thank you guys so much. Today, we're gonna release a couple videos, hopefully. This one's more of a update about Amazon. So I'm gonna go through that real quick, a little update about Amazon business line of credit. And then definitely stay tuned for other videos. Maybe an hour or 2 hours later after you watch this video, go back, check, because I think I'll probably have 2 or 3 videos out today, and the next coming days I'll be releasing. I'm going to try to keep at least 1 to 2 videos every day or every other day, at least 5-6 videos a week. Okay, get those out to you guys because I know I've been behind. So with all that being said, I appreciate you guys' patience, and I just want to give you guys an update. So you guys know I get these comments all the time because all my Amazon business credit videos, I think I have 3 or 4 out there, the limit increases and how to go about getting those, the net 55 revolving, Amazon backed by Synchrony Bank, underwritten through Synchrony. I get those comments constantly of saying the link doesn't work, that they're not taking applications anymore. And that is the case, And some of you guys may ask, why don't you just delete the video? Well, I don't delete videos because it's part of me being transparent with you guys. If I pick and choose what videos I want to keep up that I did in the past, then that's, not being quite transparent. There's at least 20 videos I did when I first started the channel that I'm quite embarrassed of. I was camera shy and everything, but I'm leaving them up there so you guys can see. I started off teaching you guys about business credit with a brand new LLC, even though I have others that are very old that I've got business credit with. But I started, with a brand new LLC when I started this channel to show you guys that anybody can get what I have. And that's over 1.2 million in business credit, lines of credit, and about 70% of it is no PG. Anyways, enough about that. So let me explain something to you guys. Unfortunately, Amazon Net 55 is, as most of you guys know, is no longer taking new applications at all, and it's a decision made by Amazon is cutting ties for whatever internal reason with Synchrony Bank. I've been on the phone with pretty high up levels at Synchrony Bank, and it's not a decision made by Synchrony Bank. According to them, Amazon has decided to part ways. We can stipulate and wonder what that means. Usually when something like this happens, that typically means that, like, say, Community Bank could have underbid and they're going to be taken over in the future. We don't know. I'm sure, I can't say 100%, but I think the Amazon 55 or Amazon Business Revolving will come back eventually. But for now, I can say it's not available. So just keep that in mind. Now, let me show you guys a letter that just came in, just so you guys can see this letter, just so it's crystal clear. Because a lot of you guys were asking me before about the, some people said, oh, Amazon shut down altogether for the business line of credit for the Net 55 revolving. And I didn't want to make a video about it because even a couple months ago when the rumors were coming out there, they did shut down some accounts, and they shut down some of those accounts that looked fraudulent and stuff. So that's what that was going around with, and the ones that weren't active. Mine was very active. I think I've spent over $100,000 with on my Amazon business line of credit in the last year or so, buying all the gear and equipment and stuff for the GBC studios. So let's look at the letter that I recently just got in, and keep in mind I lost track. I think it's now 18,800. I did have 23,000 business line of credit that I kept on getting increased, but they actually just basically did a limit decrease, and I called them, and when I spoke to them, I was calling about why my limit's lowered. I always pay on time and everything, and that's what they told me. And then they sent me this letter. So let's look at this letter real quick so I can give you guys some transparent. Sorry, this is being rambling a little bit, but just wanted to let you guys know the update about what's going on. Okay, let's look at the letter now. Okay, so this is a letter that actually came directly to me, and I'm just going to kind of read it. It says, "Dear commercial customer, thank you for being a loyal Amazon business line of credit by Synchrony customer. Amazon plans to discontinue." See how it says there? Amazon plans to discontinue. So clearly Synchrony is saying that it's Amazon's choice. We don't know what's going to happen, but a lot of times it's going to be another bank that's going to take over in the future. We don't know that for certain, but we'll see. We can cross our fingers Community takes over because they're another good one. But anyways, it says Amazon plans to discontinue the Amazon Business Line of Credit program as of January 10th, 2023. After January 10th, 2023, Amazon.com and Amazon Business will no longer accept Amazon Business Line of Credit as a method of payment. So this could also be something to do with American Express, because they have that Amazon American Express card, and maybe there's some clause that they have something set up with American Express where they don't want to have this offered at all, where they just want the Amazon Business Prime card or something. Who knows? We'll know probably in the next 6 months if they're going to switch or something. But anyways, it says, during this time, Synchrony customer service will remain available for customers who need to make payments or have questions about their account. If your account has a balance as of January 10th, 2023, you will continue to receive statements from Synchrony Bank and will be required to pay outstanding balance under the terms and conditions in your account agreement. If you have a remaining balance, you'll still be able to log in to your account management site to continue servicing your account. Go to amazon.com/credit line and click on the manage your account button, and it says you can mail in your payment to Amazon Business Line of Credit, Synchrony Bank, and that shows their address. For questions, contact them, and appreciate having them as business. Some accounts might be getting shut down if you're not using it, but I'm still using it today. I just placed like a $8,000 order on mine. I'm going to still keep using it. I'm going to still keep paying it because they're still going to be reporting no matter what. So I'm going to use it until they basically shut it off. And the way it looks to me by reading this, they're not going to take anything away until January 10th. Potentially, if you have an Amazon Business Line of Credit account, I would say carry a little balance on there, pay it off, and then order something. Keep doing that to keep it open, because I think the only time they're going to actually shut it down before January 10th, 2023 is if you have a zero balance. Then they could just shut your account down because they're trying to, discontinue everything. But I think as long as you're carrying a little balance, and when I say carry a balance, I don't mean like revolving, but I'm saying you ordered something and then maybe a couple weeks later order something else, pay off that one, just so you always have something going until January 10th. And then at January 10th, say January 9th or so, you ordered something, that would give you 55 more days. So you potentially have reporting until February or March of next year. That's what I plan on doing, at least, because Synchrony is still, in my opinion, one of the best business credit lines that you can have, because they also are the only one that offers the no personal guarantee revolving business credit card, the Sam's Club business credit card. So you want to keep things good with Synchrony. Just because Amazon is discontinuing this, do not just stop paying it. That's going to mess your credit up. So don't do that just because they're, taking the credit line away from you or shutting this down. Don't just stop doing that. I'm going to make an updated video about another alternative. Amazon does allow you to do the pay by invoice, and it's net 30. So I'll be making a video about that. There's not a huge benefit to it, but it is net 30. You need to make sure that you're listed with LexisNexis. All that data is correct. I'm not going to get into that in this video because I want to make a standalone video on how to go through that process to make sure that everything is set up properly so you do get the invite, because it is an invite only net 30 invoice account. And I'll share some tricks with you that if you didn't get the invite, I will show you how you can get the invite. All right. So that's the best we can do for now, but I just wanted to give you my opinion and give you my advice about what you should do if you're in the same shoes as mine and got this letter. January 10th is clearly the day they're going to be closing down the Amazon Business Line of Credit. But hey, keep using it just like I am. That's still a trade line that's going to be reporting. Keep in mind, business credit is not like personal credit where the payment history is going to stay on there and show for many years. It's only relevant for the last 6 to 12 months, really. That's the major factors with business credit, especially the Experian Business Credit and Dun and Bradstreet. So that's very important, and it's a solid trade line. So let's not just stop worrying about it now. Keep it if you have it, and keep it balanced, because if you, like I said, if you pay everything off and you're at zero right now, you might wake up and your account's closed down just because they want to discontinue everything. But as long as you have the balance, I think you'll be able to keep the account until the January 10th. All right. I know this was a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, but sorry that I rambled a bit. But you guys know me. I try to keep everything transparent and give you my advice, free of charge and everything on what I would do and what I plan on doing. Anyways, you guys smash the thumbs up for this video. I'd really appreciate it. I'm going to be putting out several other videos, so stay tuned for that. I definitely need you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to go ahead and get that next video out in the next week or two about how to get the Amazon Net 30 account to get that invite only. If you haven't got the invite only, you haven't got the invite yet, and you have the Amazon business account, but you haven't got the invite to pay by invoice, and you want to know how, give the video a thumbs up. That will signal me that you guys are really interested in that. And comment as well if you guys want me to, make a video about that. I'm probably definitely going to do it, but if you guys really want me to get it out soon, I will get that recorded right away and show you guys, you know, kind of backdoor way around that, how you can get invited to it right away. All right. With all that being said, you guys take care and stay tuned for future videos. All right. Thanks again. Bye-bye.